All right.
Today we are going to see the two sinusoidal equation, and we have to find the vertical displacement, amplitude, period, phase shift, range from this for these two given equations, given functions. So this is Maths 30-2 diploma exam preparation for Alberta curriculum. So let us see the first one. First I will explain you about the general form of the equation for both sine and cos functions are sinusoidal. So there are two sinusoidal equations available, one equal, one is a sine b x minus c plus d. The another one is y equal, this is in terms of sine, the another one is in terms of cos. A cos b x minus c plus d. So here A stand for amplitude and the B is the number of waves in one cycle. So number of waves in one cycle, and C is the phase shift. Sometimes there won't be any phase shift, so in this case we have phase shift because it starts from pi. Here it starts from the other side, pi over 3. So the next one, D, is the vertical shift. The vertical shift will be sometimes upwards or downwards. So in this case it is downwards, in this case it is upward. If it is a plus means up, minus negative means down. So you must be careful to grab the information. So let us see the first equation. So the first equation is y equal to cos 4x plus pi minus 1. So the first one we can see amplitude. Amplitude A equal just 2. First they are asking vertical displacement. So vertical displacement means this one D. So in this case it is 1. Yes, it is negative, so it is downwards. That is for vertical displacement. So we did that one. The next one is amplitude A for this one. Second one, I can put numbers 1, 2. For amplitude, we know this one. The first part is the amplitude. So that is done. Period. So period T equal 2 pi by over B. So what is B here? First we must know what is B. So B is, we know this is B. So in this equation it is 4 is the B. B is equal to 4. So period T equal 2 pi over 4. That can be written as 2 pi over 2 times 2, 4. So I 2 to cancel. So the period will be equal to pi over 2. Pi over 2 means 90 degrees. Okay. So next one is phase shift. So the phase shift is pi. So this is a standard equation. Here C is twice right, and here it is pi is negative value because we got plus because of the value of pi. Negative times negative, it will become plus. So phase shift will be pi twice left side. That is important. And a range. For range we have to find maximum and minimum. So the maximum value, there is a formula available, and the minimum value, there is a formula available. Question number 3. So maximum will be equal to D plus A, and minimum D minus A. So the maximum value will be equal to, we know what is D. So the D is here because we need D for that one. Negative 1. So D -1 plus A is 2, which is equal to 1. And the minimum, D minus A. So D is minus 1 minus of 2, which is equal to -3. So the range will be equal to Y such that Y is having greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, the lowest value is minimum -3 and the highest value is 1, where Y is an element of the real values. So this is the range. So first one is vertical displacement, the second one is amplitude, and the third one is period. Period, this is the formula, and normally we have to put T is equal to 2 pi by modulus of B, and B is equal to 4 here, so we got the answer, and pi by 2. And phase shift is, so this is the phase shift, it is left. Then after that max and min, max value and min value. Max is D plus A and minimum value is D minus A. We know D is equal to -1 here and -1 plus A. A is equal to 2, -1 plus 2, 1, and -1 minus of A. A is equal to 2, so -3. So the range is, this is the range. That's all, and we can go to the next part. The next function is, so I write it in different color, Y equal 3 sine 2x minus pi over 3 plus 2. So we have to find the vertical displacement D. The first one is D. So here it is 2 units upwards. If you want, we can here also, we can say 1 unit, the value. So D over amplitude A equal, very easy, 3. And the third one is period T equal 2 pi over modulus of B, and we must know what is B. So here B equal, so this is the B, 2, so 2 pi over 2, and the 2 get cancelled, the period is just pi. So T is equal to pi. Then the period finish. The fourth one is the phase shift. And the phase shift is here pi by 3 right. Please understand the difference between the previous one, it is plus here, so it is left here. Here it is right, phase shift. And the fifth one is range. So for the range, we have to find the maximum value and the minimum value. So max, we know D plus A, and minimum D minus A. So let us calculate the maximum value. So D here is 2 plus A here is 3, which is equal to 5, and the minimum value 2 minus 3, which is equal to -1. Now we can write the range. So range equal Y is such that, so I have to put the bracket outside, sorry. Y is such that greater than equal to, less than equal to, so the minimum value is -1 here, and the maximum value is 5, and Y is an element of real values. That's all. So we have grabbed all the information from the given equation. So students must know how to graph the values of vertical displacement D, amplitude A, period T, and phase shift. I put the value C. Phase shift C and the range from the given equation. So the general form of the equation, once again I will explain to you. Y equal A sin B x minus C. A is the amplitude, B is the number of waves in one cycle, and C is the phase shift, and D is the vertical displacement, and the B will be useful to calculate the period. T equal 2 pi over mod of B. So this is important formula to calculate the T. So this will be helpful for the diploma examination. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can see the new videos on physics and mathematics.